Welcome back to the Sidle Insurance Homeowners Insurance Loss Guide. You're never planning on having a loss, but if you do, the situation can be handled more efficiently and effectively if you're prepared just in case. Today's episode, we're going to discuss loss preparation. So let's discuss some of the steps that you can take ahead of time to limit headaches should you have to file a claim. Firstly, buy homeowners insurance. As the National Association of Insurance Commissioners puts it, homes are frequently a consumer's largest asset. And homeowners insurance is imperative as it protects consumers' homes and personal property. In the event of a total loss, insurance can provide the primary source of rebuilding funds. This is not to mention the liability coverage insurance can provide, which may account for injuries or damages to other people or property on your premises. Of course, many folks do carry homeowners insurance. In fact, most mortgage lenders require it. However, what losses are actually covered will vary depending on the policy. We'll discuss more on coverage types and limits in another episode of the Homeowners Insurance Loss Guide. For now, we'll leave it at recommending that you consult a qualified independent insurance agent to help you properly insure your home and protect what may be your largest asset. Let's move on to another, perhaps less obvious way that you can prepare for homeowners insurance losses. Consider documenting your personal property. Create an inventory of the valuable items in your home. This can help you accurately recover or replace them in the event of a claim. If you're a client of ours, use our client portal. Accessible from our website, there you can securely upload photos and receipts to document your inventory in a digital space. If you have high-value items that exceed the limits provided on your homeowner's insurance policy, you may need to specifically schedule them. Your insurance agent can assist you with this. Another recommendation, be familiar with how to report a claim. When a covered loss occurs on your property, you may need to file an insurance claim. That's why it's good to know the process ahead of time. Firstly, before contacting your insurance company, you must attempt to prevent any further loss. In some situations, this is obvious. For instance, if you're unfortunate enough to be experiencing a house fire, call the fire department. A theft? Call the police. Contact the parties necessary to not only keep you and your loved ones safe, but also prevent any further damages. We recently had a client experience a loss in which a tree fell on their home. One of the first calls they needed to make was to a tree removal service, as the tree was still resting on the side of their home and threatened to cause further damage. Even though this happened before the claim had been filed, the insurance company still wound up paying for the tree removal after the fact, as the insured was doing their duty to prevent further damages, a condition in their policy. Once threat of further loss has been mitigated, it's then time to file the claim. Do so as soon as possible. Note that depending on your policy, the loss you have suffered may not be covered. If flooding is a concern in your area, consider purchasing flood insurance for protection against flood-related losses, as floods aren't typically covered by standard homeowners insurance. Submit your claim to your insurance provider. In the case of our own clients, we recommend going through us if practical, rather than the insurance company directly, as this way we can assist you in filing the claim. Once your claim is filed, the insurance company will assign you with a claims adjuster, who should be in touch with you soon. They will survey the damage and confirm various details before the company can provide the proper reimbursement for your claim. While approval of your claim is pending, you may need to reach out to various contractors in your area to provide repair estimates. These figures, along with the adjuster's assessment, will aid in determining how much the company will reimburse you for your loss. Keep in mind that if the cost of the covered losses do not exceed or just narrowly exceed the deductible on your policy, which is the amount you are expected to pay out of pocket before the company provides payout, it may be best to withdraw the claim. This is because having the incident show on your loss history can affect your premium in the future and may not be worth a minuscule contribution from your insurance policy. Thank you for watching this episode of the Homeowners Insurance Loss Guide. If you have any questions or insurance needs, feel free to reach out to Sidle Insurance by calling 607-535-6501 or visit us on the web at sidleinsurance.com.